In this example, we're trying to compute the equation of a tangent line to the sine function, and then we're going to use plotting software to verify that we have the right tangent line. So to begin with, we want the slope of the tangent line at any point, in other words, the first derivative, f prime of x. And that's simply the cosine function. So then I want to actually get the value of f prime of x when x is equal to pi over 3. So f prime of pi over 3, that's the cosine of pi over 3. And if I think back to the unit circle, pi over 3, that's a 60-degree angle. It's right there. The cosine is the x-coordinate of that. And again, all of these special angles relate only to two different triangles. And this is the one that has one short side and one long side. And so the short side is 1/2, the long side is root 3 over 2. Well, the x-coordinate of this point here then is going to be 1/2. That's the cosine. All right, so the slope of my tangent line is going to be 1/2. I'll go ahead and highlight that by saying slope equals 1/2. Well, I still need to get a point on the tangent line, and that's just the point that where it's actually touching the function. So the point is going to be pi over 3 for the x-coordinate and f of pi over 3 for the y-coordinate. Well, pi over 3 just is what it is. F of pi over 3, that's the sine of pi over 3, and I just talked about that on the unit circle. Root 3 over 2. And then finally I plug this into the point slope form of a line. If I have a known point normally notated as x naught, y naught, then I could write y minus y naught is equal to the slope m times x minus x naught. Go ahead and plug that stuff in, and I get y minus the known y coordinate of my point, that's root 3 over 2, is equal to 1/2 for the slope times x minus the known x coordinate, which was pi over 3. Solve for y. This is particularly important because we're going to plug into our plotting software and we need to have y isolated. And I end up with 1/2 x minus pi over 6 from distributing plus root 3 over 2. So let's go into our plotting software. I'm using a free program called MathGV here. I'm going to get a new two-dimensional function. So instead of 1/2, I'm going to write 0.5 because it's easier. So 0.5x minus pi over 6 plus square root of 3 divided by 2. We'll go ahead and make that a nice red color and plot it. And there we have what looks convincingly like a tangent line. And it's touching the graph somewhere near pi over 3. So pi is a little bigger than 3. Pi over 3 is a little bigger than 1. So this looks really good.